Hello, welcome to the Dynamic Do-It-Yourself Diva, and today I'm going to show you how to dress these Cornish hens with a nice herbal rub. First, you're going to need butter and you're going to melt it. Then you will add your garlic. Mix these two ingredients very well. Then you'll add your basil. Give it a good quick whisk with the whisk. Then you will add your salt. After each ingredient, it's a very good idea to whisk it really well for thorough mixing. Next, we'll add sage. And yes, there we are, mixing it up very well. Now we'll add some thyme. Mix it well. And finally, add some lemon pepper seasoning. Give it a nice whisk finally. And now you have your rub where you spoon over the tops of each Cornish hen. Look at them, looking pretty good, huh? Well, we're not done because we're going to use a pastry brush and we're going to rub it in on the skin. And we're going to get inside each cavity to make sure the seasoning is throughout. Use your fingers and gently rub it in through the skin and seal your pan. Now we're going to put it in the oven, and the directions are going to be down below. Midway through, you take a look, see how things are going. And if your hens are looking like this, they're very pale and on the way to being done, baste it. And there you are. Everything is down below in the description box.